CTA, starting to glow. Flashing eyes everywhere I go.
Feel the rhythm deep below. Heartbeat thumping, something jumping.
Yeah.
Lose all fear in the drop. Never ever gonna stop. Yeah, the bass it just won't flop. To the rhythm, to the top. Lose all fear in the drop. Never ever gonna stop. Yeah, the bass it just won't flop. To the rhythm, to the top.
Concrete jungle humming low.
Speakers pumping, feel the flow.
Shadows dancing, watch them grow.
This is where I wanna go. Lose all fear in the drop. Never ever gonna stop. Yeah, the bass it just won't flop. To the rhythm, to the top. Lose all fear in the drop. Never ever gonna stop. Yeah, the bass it just won't flop. To the rhythm, to the top.
Sunrise coming soon enough. This feeling is more than rough. Diamond lights ain't never tough, just pure. Sunrise coming soon enough. This feeling is more than rough. Diamond lights ain't never tough, just pure.
Rooftop sweat, dripping slow. CTA, starting to glow. Flashing eyes everywhere I go.
Feel the rhythm deep below. Heartbeat thumping, something jumping.
Yeah.
Lose all fear in the drop. Never ever gonna stop. Yeah, the bass it just won't flop. To the rhythm, to the top. Lose all fear in the drop. Never ever gonna stop. Yeah, the bass it just won't flop. To the rhythm, to the top.
Concrete jungle humming low.
Speakers pumping, feel the flow.
Shadows dancing, watch them grow.
This is where I wanna go. Lose all fear in the drop. Never ever gonna stop. Yeah, the bass it just won't flop. To the rhythm, to the top. Lose all fear in the drop. Never ever gonna stop. Yeah, the bass it just won't flop. To the rhythm, to the top.
Sunrise coming soon enough. This feeling is more than rough.
Rooftops wet, dripping slow. CTA starting to glow. Flashing eyes everywhere I go.
Feel the rhythm deep below.
Oh,
Heartbeat thumping, something jumping.
yeah.
Lose all fear in a drop. Never ever gonna stop. Yeah, the bass it just won't flop. To the rhythm, to the top. Lose all fear in a drop. Never ever gonna stop. Yeah, the bass it just won't flop. To the rhythm, to the top.
Concrete jungle humming low.
Speakers pumping, feel the flow.
Shadows dancing, watch them grow.
This is where I wanna go. Lose all fear in the drop. Never ever gonna stop. Yeah, the bass it just won't flop. To the rhythm, to the top. Lose all fear in the drop. Never ever gonna stop. Yeah, the bass it just won't flop. To the rhythm, to the top.
Sunrise coming soon enough. This feeling is more than rough. Diamond lights ain't never tough, just pure. Sunrise coming soon enough. This feeling is more than rough. Diamond lights ain't never tough, just pure.
Rooftops wet, dripping slow. CTA starting to glow. Flashing eyes everywhere I go.
Feel the rhythm deep below.
Oh,
Heartbeat thumping, something jumping.
yeah.
Lose all fear in a drop. Never ever gonna stop. Yeah, the bass it just won't flop. To the rhythm, to the top. Lose all fear in a drop. Never ever gonna stop. Yeah, the bass it just won't flop. To the rhythm, to the top.
Concrete jungle humming low.
Speakers pumping, feel the flow.
Shadows dancing, watch them grow.
This is where I wanna go. Lose all fear in the drop. Never ever gonna stop. Yeah, the bass it just won't flop. To the rhythm, to the top. Lose all fear in the drop. Never ever gonna stop. Yeah, the bass it just won't flop. To the rhythm, to the top.
Sunrise coming soon enough. This feeling is more than rough.
Good morning, guys. Good morning, traders. Welcome in the stream, guys. Happy Tuesday, first of all. I hope you all are well. I'm good. I'm feeling really good today. I don't know. I had a lot of reflecting, a lot of thinking yesterday about my own trading. Let's just be honest, guys. I'm not like I say, I've always been very open and transparent. This last week to 2 weeks, I felt like my trading just hasn't really been there 100%. I've had a lot going on, personal things that I've been dealing with, but on top of that, I've had also I've been on holiday. So I'm a person that obviously needs a routine, and my mindset needs to be just on track in order to absolutely do my thrive in trading. And I haven't not been at my full peak for sure recently, but I've done a lot of reflecting, a lot of thinking. I actually journaled a bit yesterday, and I never journal. I just wrote down some stuff and just to reflect my thoughts and work out what is it that I can fix and what is it that I can do to help improve my trading and get back on my nice big win streaks. I figured some stuff out, so I'm feeling good today. I'm feeling positive. I'm going into today's session with you guys with a very, very positive, clean mindset. I know exactly how I want to approach this session, and I'm going to be approaching it just super calmly. I'm not going to have any expectations for it. I'm going to let the setups come to me instead of me trying to chase them, because I've been feeling like I've really been trying to chase these setups, and it's just not obviously been ideal. So let's get into a breakdown shortly. But before I do, guys, how are all of you today, man? How is everybody in the chat? How's everybody, guys? I'm just putting the chat up on the screen quickly. I'll read the chat now. I'm just trying to put the chat up on the stream for you guys, and then I will read all of your messages. Also, guys, today is a important one because I want to talk about some psychology as well. I want to bring up some points that I think can help some of you. It's definitely helping me right now. So it's just some things I'm going to bring up throughout the stream that I think can help some of you. Yeah. But yeah, before we do breakdown, let's see who's in the chat, man. Who do we have here? Nifa. Good morning. I'm definitely optimistic about this trading session. Ren. Who else? Sammy. Dan. What's up, Dan? Hope you're doing good. Disciplined trader. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Good fucking morning. I hope you all have a coffee. If you're in Europe, it's still early in the morning. But let's get into this fucking session, yeah? So, like I said before, starting the stream, I've done a lot of reflecting in regards to my psychology and mindset into trading. Now, I'm dealing with something right now, guys, with my trading that I think a lot of people always, a lot of traders face, and that is hitting losing streaks right after having big winning streaks. Okay, this is something that I'm just dealing with for some reason. I had a massive we are July, so January, February, March, April, no, I'm lying. So February, March, April, May, right, and middle of June, like the beginning of June, I was on a crazy streak. I had some losses, but my win, I was like on an 85% win rate, like 80 to 85% for those 3 months. It was crazy. I was getting payout after payout after payout, and now I have not taken I took one payout, I think a week ago or 2 weeks ago on my Thunderpro Futures account, but all of my other accounts that I trade with other prop firms, I don't have them anymore. I'm just going to be completely honest. I lost my other accounts with my other firms. The only accounts I currently have right now is my own personal account and my Thunderpro Futures account, okay? I still have that 200k account, and I've got now as you can see on the stream here, I am on a 150k. This is another challenge account, right, that I bought for the stream for you guys. Yeah, so with this being said, I've lost quite a bit of accounts recently just due to tilt, and the reason I go on tilt, guys, is because I'm over risking on a losing streak. And when you're over risking on a losing streak, man, it's just gonna go downhill, and I know that, and I still did that. So obviously, you know, I need to now fix that, which I'm going to be doing. So my strategy works really well. Everything else works. It's just time to lower my risk a bit now, and it's time just to creep my way out of this phase I'm currently in until I'm back on top, and then I can start increasing my risk again. All right. So yeah, this is a very common thing, I think, with a lot of traders. I spoke about it yesterday. Somebody in my community, he's facing the same thing. I think he recently got a payout, and now he finds himself losing again straight after the payout. That's very common. That happens a lot. Now, what I told him is the best way to approach this type of thing is the minute you start to feel like you're about to hit that losing streak, just size down until you're out of it. Because when you're in those losing streaks and you're keeping your size the exact same, and you're using high risk, the chances of you going on tilt, blowing those accounts, are going to be very high because you're in a losing streak. But you need to protect your capital in those losing streaks, right? So we all know we always come out of them. I could come out of mine today. I could come out of it next week. I don't know. So until then, I'm just going to really manage my risk as best as possible. Okay. But yeah. So with that being said, I'm going to just break down the chart, man. What do I see in the chart? So firstly, let's go to the daily, man. Let's go to that daily time frame. Yeah, we are ranging, guys. Like, we're still in that stupid range like yesterday. Okay. So daily time frame, guys, you can see I'm on it right now. Yesterday's candle was an inside bar, right? We had an inside bar yesterday. Today opened up. We're back below that daily EMA, heading towards yesterday's low potentially. So maybe if we can break yesterday's daily inside bar low, we can have a big short, right? Now, why do I say this? Let's go back to what day are we? Tuesday, Monday, Friday, Thursday. Thursday's inside bar. We can see we had a Thursday inside bar over here, right? What happened when we broke that low? We sold off that day. The same thing. We have an inside bar here now. If we can break that inside bar low, we might have a short. Okay, so right now I'm going to favor shorts into yesterday's low, right? To break that inside bar. Okay. I'm favoring short. Oh shit, that's so shit. I'm favoring shorts. No, I'm gonna read it on the time frame. But yeah, I'm favoring shorts currently by what I'm looking on the daily, right? But things can change. But right now, I want shorts. Okay. What I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna mark off yesterday's open. Okay. I'm gonna mark off yesterday's open. Okay, I'm marking off yesterday's open. So we can see on the 4 hourly right now, right? On the 4 hourly, we can see that we closed back below that EMA, right? And we sold off into yesterday's open, okay? We tapped it and we've rejected. It looks like this current 4 hourly candle might squeeze back down into it. The minute we get below yesterday's open, I've got this weird feeling we're going to drop. I don't know why, it's just a feeling, but like I said, I'm going to let the market come to me today instead of me chasing it, okay? So yeah, let's see what happens with this. The hourly, okay, I can see something which is good right now for me. The hourly, if I zoom out for you guys over here, let me make sure you can see that. You can. Okay, cool. So the hourly, I have a nice level sitting over here on the hourly that we broke through. Okay, we broke through this level. We came up, retested it, closed back below. Ooh, shorts are screaming my name right now. I will be honest. Okay, maybe I've got a weird feeling we can easily squeeze down into yesterday's low, yesterday's open, and make a new low of the day. This hourly rejection closed back below. If the current hourly, guys, which is just open, flips bearish, that could be a short. So 15 minute as well. Check this, beautiful. Everything's actually looking very clean today for some reason. 15 minute, we were above EMA, snap back below. If this 15 minute can break these low, nah. Oh, we could have a short. We can have a short. I won't lie. We can have a short for sure. Is looking a bit juicy, yeah. It is looking a bit juicy. 15 minutes making high, lower lows and higher. Fuck, I'm so dyslexic when I have to say that. I never get it right. The 15 minute is making lower highs and lower lows, as we can see if I zoom out. Right. We are trending low on that 15 minute as well. There's no reason for this thing to buy. This will only turn bullish if we can close back above this key level for me. It'll only turn bullish. But guys, check out this candle flip, man. This is so tempting to get in. It is turning into more of an A plus now. I don't know. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna go in small size. I won't lie with this. That is a rejection off this key level. Close back below that EMA. Yeah. Alright, I'm going in with small size right now. I did not expect to take a trade so soon on stream. I'll be completely honest with you. I did not expect that, but I'm just following the strategy and following my plan. I can easily see this maybe coming down into yesterday's. Okay. Just make sure you guys can see this. I'll check the chat now, guys. I will check the chat shortly. Just give me a minute. Just have to make sure you guys can see all of this. I'm going to be my stop a little bit high. Give it some to 1,000. Yeah. Give it some room to breathe. Okay. So yeah, let's see. But other than that, yeah, bearish. Let's see if we can take a short into yesterday's open and make a new low of the day. If we got, I probably will hold this. If we can break low of the day, I will definitely hold this trade. I think I'm gonna try go for like. Let's just see the volume we get, obviously, right? Let's just see what we get. But for now, depending on volatility, I'm gonna just obviously focus on taking profits or closing 80% off of my position at this at the low. All right. Let's see, man. But what's happening in the chat, guys? Sorry, I'm just reading it now. On my chart, Monday is a doji. Didn't you say to wait until the candle closed, or do you take trade right when the candle broken? No, I take the trade when the candle's broken down, as I've mentioned. So this 15 minute that closed. No, sorry, you can't see. This 15. What the fuck? This 15 minutes that closed below. See this red one? This is the red closure below. So I wait for this candle to close, and this candle I enter. With a minute this one breaks that 15 minute closed candle to the left. I don't wait for this one to close. I need to wait for the first one to close, and I'll take the entry at the break of that. That's how I've always done it. Mimi, good morning, good morning. Randall, we've all been busy. Yeah, it's trading, Randall. Like, it's just part of the game, man. It's definitely one of those things you just need to accept it. Like, you will make a lot of money, you'll lose a lot of money. You know, it's just like that. You can't make a lot of money and expect not to lose a lot at the same time. Like, this year was definitely my biggest trading year of my career, for sure. The first 3 months of this year was amazing, but all those wins, all those payouts just got to my head very not quickly. It just made me overconfident a bit, to the point where I just thought I was just undefeatable, when in fact I got humbled these last couple of weeks, for sure. I've got a bit humbled, and it's like, well, yeah, Cam, you can lose everything just as much as you can make everything, you know. And yeah. Could you check the daily Monday candle in TradingView? It's doji. Yeah, just give me a second. Red Fox, congrats, brother. Crazy. 6 out of 7 accounts in the green. That's beautiful, man. Beautiful, beautiful, brother. Daniel, yeah, let me just check on my phone quickly. I can't bring TradingView up here, but just give me a moment. The daily candle, right? So what did you say? You said yesterday's NQ. Could you check the daily Monday candle in TradingView? It's a doji. That's weird. Why don't... To be honest with you, Daniel, I don't know why, brother. I'll be honest. I don't know why. Because I looked at a few different Nasdaq charts. There's another Nasdaq chart on TradingView that isn't a doji. I saw the one. I'm looking at one doji, yes, but there is one here that's not a doji. To be honest, brother, I don't even know. I'm just like looking at my deep chart and just analyzing of that right now. So. Yo, Adam, nice. Jason took the short right at the breakout. Very, very nice, brother. Very, 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 very nice. Today is day 20 of my 20-day challenge. Finally, this is my third restart, but third time's the charm, and I made $400 the month end of June. It's not enough to quit my job yet, but very, very, very nice, Nifa. Congrats. The fact you keep going is, yeah, man. That's, yeah, congrats. Very nice. Honestly, guys, let's talk about when to quit your 9-to-5 job. Honestly, guys, you need to quit your 9-to-5 job when you know you don't need to, like, you have enough money in the bank where you don't need to work for 1 year. That's what I suggest to people, because if you're going to quit your 9-to-5 jobs and you have like, and you've got 1 or 2 payouts thinking, oh, I've got 5K now. Let me tell you right now, you could lose it all the next week. Like, you need to make sure that you have a big safety net where you feel not pressured to have to trade. The minute you start feeling pressured to have to make money through trading, guys, things can go down south. Things can go south, for sure. Things can go south, for sure. Guys, if this 50-minute candle closes back above that EMA, I might exit. I want to, you know, manage my risk, right? I need to stick to my plan. If this 50-minute closes back above that EMA, and the next one breaks that high, I might exit this trade. I'm just going to be honest. Like, I don't want to see this thing get back above so quickly like that. I would have wanted to see it hold below still. So I might cut my loss just early. Just say, fuck me, what the fuck. Let's see how this one closes. But yeah, if this 50-minute candle is going to start, it's not. I won't lie. It's not what I'm wanting to see. So yeah, it's not. It's definitely not what I'm wanting to see right now. It's a risk that I was willing to take. So let's see. Oh, Nifa. Yeah, just honestly, you'll see. If you, I mean, a 50k challenge. If you feel ready, and if you feel ready to, you know, invest some of your profits into buying a futures challenge with Wonder Pro, and you can, and like, put it this way: if you followed your rules for 20 days, you will do so well in a challenge account. Like seriously, because trust me, you can do so well in a challenge account if you follow your rules for 20 days. Like, you'll do well. You will do well. You will do well. Okay, so this 50 looks like it's about to see. Now this 15-minute closed back above that EMA. I might just exit this, I'll be honest. Let's see if we break that high. I'm gonna bring my stop down, guys. I'm moving my stop down. I don't want to see this previous 15-minute high get broken. So if it breaks that high, at least I will, you know, save about $500 on that trade. But yeah, I don't want to see that high broken, man. So I'm now managing my risk, right? I'm giving, by me cutting this trade, I'm giving myself another shot, like another bullet to shoot this stream. So, but I don't know. Maybe my next, what is it? My next, like if this does stop me, my next plan would be, well, if it does want to go bullish, I'll wait for price to close back above the 700 level, back above this key level of mine. When price breaks above there, I'll look for my entry maybe to scalp along. So by me cutting this short earlier and taking my loss, for example, like it might do now, I'm giving myself another bullet to trade. You know, instead of losing too much and holding this trade out, and now I don't give myself a good trade on the next one. I'm very strict now with my rules. Like, I'm giving myself, guys, only 2 bullets per stream for the time being. Like, 2 trades, that's it. And if I lose both those trades, that's me then done. But if I win the first one, fantastic. I won't trade the second one, you know. But I really want to start giving myself just 2 bullets. I give myself 2 opportunities so I don't feel rushed to have to take a trade. I can spread my time out a bit. Some good news as well, guys. I'm actually, when I go to Barcelona, I've started a vlog. Guys, I'm doing day in the life. So a lot of you guys are wondering, like, Cam, what the fuck do you do with your life? I'm actually starting a vlog. I'm starting vlogs now. I've already started. I started the other day. So I'm going to be posting day in the life of a full-time trader. And it's going to be so real, so transparent. I'm not going to be fucking going to Louis Vuitton and balling out cash there. Like, I'm not going to be doing fake stuff. Okay, I'm out of that trade, guys. I'm not going to be doing stuff like that. I'm just going to be very real, just my day-to-day life. I'm going to Barcelona as well soon, and then Ibiza, so then I will be obviously filming all of that for you guys. Because I know a lot of you guys ask for that stuff. So I think seeing, you know, the real routine of a full-time trader, you'll see what it's like. I mean, it's not all glitz and glam like, you know, you see on YouTube from these other guys. You know, you're not going to see me driving around a fucking Ferrari or something, you know, a Lamborghini with a Rolex on my wrist. But you'll see the freedom it gives me, where I just do my life day to day, whether it's me going to the beach, hitting the gym, going to cafes, eating lunch. It's just, you know, just the real raw life of what I do. And yeah, I think it'll be quite inspiring for some of you guys that, you know, are working to fight for a full-time trader lifestyle. They're idiots. Ugh, yeah, everyone must do their life the way they want. If I want to right now, Randall, I can easily go and rent a Lambo for a day and rent a big villa and make myself look like this millionaire trader for one day. I can easily do it and get so much content. But for what? For what? To be like all the others? To be fake? No ways. No ways. So yeah, you saw, guys, how I managed that trade. I closed my trade earlier. I'm just following my plan. You know, I did say to myself, if we get back above that EMA, I'm gonna exit. If price does want to start selling off again, cool. I'm not gonna have FOMO. I will just give myself another opportunity to re-enter a trade. Let's look at gold, actually, guys. Let's look at gold, because, guys, gold has been giving. I did trade gold the other day, and ooh. Gold has just broken out of this range. Maybe a goldy trade. I won't lie, guys. I really feel like I'm not bored of NQ, but like I want to, like, I don't know, maybe try something different. Let's see. Gold daily time frame is bearish overall, but we did close above that EMA. We're already testing it on this daily candle. See, I don't like that. I don't like that 4 hourly now. That's just the thing. Don't like that. Hourly. Nah. Let's go back to MNQ. See now. I just wanted a quick little look at gold. NQ really does look a bit, you know, look. It's looking like it is a bit bullish, you know, a little bit on the lower time frame. It looks like it's turning bullish, but I don't want to guess this right now. Price is at a level right now as well that I can see of resistance as well. Like if I actually had to draw this across, we can see this is a really level of resistance. So buying this right now below that, nah, I would rather wait for price to break out of this to maybe look for longs. Because I only got one more bullet left, right? I've only got one more bullet left. Jeez, Adam. I've got 12 funded. That's crazy. Very, very nice. I did have like 15 funded accounts about 2 weeks ago. Now I've got 4 left. And a personal. Although 2 of those funded. Guys, I don't know. This thing is looking bullish. Huh? We're breaking through this resistance now. I won't lie. I've got FOMO. Okay, I don't have FOMO. I'm getting FOMO. I'm just going to be honest. So the best thing for me to do right now is just drink my coffee and don't even look at the chart. Let me just, guys, I'm going to look at the chat. I don't want to get more FOMO. I don't want to get FOMO. And I did say I need to wait for price to break out of that level before I take anything. So I'm looking at the chat now. Let's talk. I can't look at the chart. Dan, where will you post these vlogs? I'm gonna post them on my YouTube channel, or I'm going to be I'm going to have a chat with the Funder Pro. Maybe we post them on the Funder Pro YouTube. Maybe we post them on the Funder Pro YouTube. But I'm not only, guys, I'm not only going to be doing vlogs, I'm also going to be doing some stuff with you guys. Like, I can't say, I've got some ideas. I'm really, I said to yesterday when I had my conversation with myself, I was like, Cam, let's start doing this, and this. I've got some really exciting things, guys. My whole entire Discord is going to be revamped any day now. I'm just getting someone just to help me with that. It's going to be, yeah, I've got some exciting things coming. I'm going all in very soon on my own content for you guys and my Discord community for you guys. The free one, of course. And then yeah, the vlogging and everything. Also, something I want to do, I want to start inviting some of you guys on stream with me. There's quite a few people that I know that are obviously trading the strategy, guys that are doing well with it. I would really want to start inviting some of you guys on stream. The guys that have been with me since day one. I know who they are. I know, yeah. So I really want to bring some people on. I think it'll be really cool bringing some of you guys on, hearing your stories, seeing just, you know, where you are with your trading, and, you know, just kind of having a chat. I think it'll be quite cool to do that. So I'm going to be definitely trying to figure that out soon as well. That'll be really cool. Yeah, break 720. Yeah, if we can break that 720, it'll be ideal. It will be ideal to take long, for sure, to take some longs. It's tempting as it always is to get in a trade now, the fact we've closed above the EMA. It just doesn't make, for me, it's risky due to this key level up here. Like, look at this, at price 720. Look how we had that big seller come in. I don't want price. I don't want to buy and then that seller is still in control and we drop from there, you know. Overall, I still want to see shorts, but like I said, I'm gonna follow the market. Yeah. These guys, those red glasses, man. I don't suggest these. Like, they're supposed to be good for your eyes, guys. Who wants this? Whoever wants this, I'll send it. I promise you, I'll send these to you. Whoever wants these glasses, they're supposed to be good, but man, every time I wear them, I get headaches. I don't know what's going on with those. Okay, see, this is why. Oh man, imagine my exit was just retarded and this thing just drops. Lozx. I don't know. If you want to buy, if you want to sell, you go for it. I'm just waiting. Right now, I don't know yet. I'm not just gonna take a trade. I've got one more bullet left, man. one more bullet left. So I need to make it count. There's no rush. No rush at all. You see, if this 50-minute closes back under that EMA, this is why I'm being patient here, because price is a bit indecisive now. It seems it's trying to decide if it wants to break this, go into the 720s or not. Like I said, it's important to look always to the left. I did say there's a really nice little resistance level over here, sitting at that 700, that we need to obviously get above and close above. You know.
Guys, we're working on a lounge track. We're just trying to find a set. I like. Let us know in the comments if you think it slaps.
By the way, guys, this little resistance thing I've drawn on, like this little box that you see here, I mean, it's not really in my strategy to draw support and resistances, but I just have it on as a reference. Okay, I'm just keeping it on as a little reference, because obviously support and resistance is a real thing. Okay, now see, I so badly want to sell that. I so badly want to sell that right now, because now we're getting back my FOMO. Okay, Cam. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do, Cam? Let's think smart. One more bullet left in the bag. One more bullet left. Oh. Okay, the 30-minute just opened, the new one. What is that doing? Oh my god, I won't lie, guys. I have such FOMO to enter the short right now. But just breathe. Just breathe. Fuck. Just breathe, guys. Just breathe, Cam. Just breathe. It's okay. Just breathe. I'm sitting on my hands. I won't lie. I have a little bit of FOMO right now, but let's see. Daniel, yeah, that's clever. Fuck, yeah, that's very clever, dude. That's actually smart psychology hack. If you got, yeah, Dan, that's a very smart psychology hack. You guys, if you're getting FOMO on the lower time frame, go to the higher one. That's a very smart psychology hack. I mean, let's actually do that now. Let's go to that 1 hour. What is the 1 hour saying? It's still giving me FOMO, dude. The 1 hour. 4 hourly. No, it's making it worse, bro. Because the 4 hourly looks hella bearish right now. The hourly looks like it's gonna freaking sell off from that EMA retest. Look, we came into that EMA. Now bro, it's making it worse for me actually right now. because the high time frames just look too bearish for me. So when I'm seeing this, the minute I see a red candle on the 5 minute, I'm like, ooh. Almost, this also looks like a head and shoulders happening over here as well. You know, you can see it looks like a left shoulder, head, right shoulder. And guys, if I was a pattern trader, head and shoulders patterns would be like my #1 go-to pattern. It just works so well every time. But do I enter short? Don't know. One more bullet left, man. I might try. I might give it a try. I won't lie, guys. I might give it a try. I'm gonna give it a bit of a try here. Okay? I'm gonna give it a try. It's a risk I'm willing to take. We're back below that EMA. It is a risk I'm willing to take. So let me see if I can get a good fill. Break that low now. Alright, let's see. Let's see. I mean, my risk is still good on this one. That is a good entry. If this was to go lower, that would be a good entry. Okay. Let's see. Oh my god. If this thing gets back above that EMA, I'm gonna be like, fuck you, dude. I'm gonna go watch some ICT videos if I lose this trade. Guys, time to change the strategy. ICT mentorship, we starting today. No, it's a joke. I never change, guys. I've traded the strategy for like 1 year now, like 1.5 years now, every day. I know it works, man. It's a working strategy. But yeah. It's still in a range. To be honest, like I've still taken many wins trading ranges using the EMA, right? I can trade, like you can trade ranges if you really go to lower time frame, if you know what you're doing, you know what I mean? Obviously trading ranges are risky. That's why I always say to you guys, if you're gonna take my trades, if you're gonna copy the trades I do, take them at your own risk, right? Don't take my trades thinking you're gonna make money, because that just doesn't work like that. Obviously, you know, the streams, guys, it's just all knowledge based. It's all educational and entertainment at the same time, you know. But damn, what a fucking great entry was this one. Ugh. Oh well, we just I won't. I'm gonna hold this, guys. I'm gonna hit stop loss or I'm gonna make a big win here. So either way, strategy was followed. Yeah. I think we're doing a giveaway this week, guys. I need to confirm, but I think we're going to be doing a giveaway this week. So you better stay tuned if you want some free accounts. It's still, guys, I don't know who, like, just to be honest, like, I don't know how many guys struggle with it, but I don't struggle with it, but sometimes, like, you know, I will look at the chart and I will see other strategies playing out. Like, you know, I know every strategy out there. I've traded them all. I've traded the ICT. I've traded supply and demand. I've traded almost anything you can think of. Like, you know, I've traded it. And so when I'm looking at the chart now, I'm like, oh my god, price looks like it's coming off a supply and demand. It's like, you just need to completely block that shit out. Really, you have to take it out of the picture. Okay, come on. Oh la la, that's see this 5 minutes. I don't like it. She should have stayed below. We should have stayed below. Yeah, guys, I'm getting out of this. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I can't, guys. I just need to be honest. Like, I can't. I feel like... I'm not gonna hold. I don't trust that. For me, this thing should have gone down. But it's keep on making higher lows. Like, let's just be honest here. It keeps making higher lows. Like, I don't trust it. I really want to fucking buy that, I won't lie. I really want to, but that's just FOMO coming in. I'm a bit FOMO right now. I'm a bit FOMO right now, guys. It's okay though. It's okay. Must be bigger than previous. I got stopped out, took this trade because the break, usually wait for candle to close. Yeah, I mean, you can obviously waiting for candle to close can be a bit of a safer option, but it usually doesn't give you a good risk to reward. For me personally, that's why I wait for the break of the previous candle. But I don't know, man, trading just hasn't been... All the good moves are happening in Asia session for some freaking reason, what I've been noticing. Asia session has been very cool. And I can't stream an Asia session, unfortunately. Why don't I wait for the stop to be taken? Because, like, sometimes I do, don't get me wrong. Like, but the reason I'm just not waiting for it is I'm just trying to manage my risk, right? Like, cutting losses earlier sometimes it's really a game changer when you're able to cut a loss earlier, you know? It's just a whole protecting my capital thing. I don't always do it though, but today I am doing it because like I said, I gave myself 2 bullets this stream, like 2 trades to take. However, by me cutting both those losses very early, I still can maybe give myself 1 more. I don't want to lose more than 2,500 today, so I still have like another $1,000 I can, you know, take a trade with. So also, every time I see the trade getting back above that EMA or below it, I'm just cutting it. But I don't know, I feel like we're ranging, man. And also what I'm doing right now and just cutting these losses earlier and everything, it's just see, this is gold. Fuck, I'm gonna sneeze. Oh. It's just part of it. It's just trading. Like, I'm just trying to protect the capital the whole time. I mean, so let's move to Thailand. What do you? Oh, I see. For the Asia session, yeah. No. I went trading in Bali, guys. When was it? Like 2 years ago. I went there for 2 months. It was great. It was cool. Bali was cool, but I struggled to, you know, I was partying every night in Bali. Fuck, I had no discipline there. I won't lie. I traded like maybe twice a week when I was in Bali. It's very hard at the time to stay disciplined in Bali. But it was cool, man. It was cool. The thing is, we say, oh, let's go live in Asia for the Asia session. But then the minute you're there, you're gonna want to. Then Asia session becomes shit, and then London and New York become great, and you're like, oh, let's go back. I'm gonna give myself, guys, one more shot at this. I won't lie. This is gonna be my final shot. This will be my final shot, guys. After this, no more trades for me on this account today. I'm gonna give myself one more shot at NQ. Bro, can you change the music? No. Sorry. A lot of people like the music though. I keep saying I keep getting messages sometimes in the stream, oh, the music's so chill vibe. Where I'm living in Europe, it's all the morning, so having something slow like this is just, you know, it's just calming. Maybe I should play some like ASMR rain sounds. Do you know, like, do you guys know that sleeping music people listen to? Like, it's like rain and it's like white noise and like ASMR. I should actually play ASMR on my streams. That'll be so fucking funny. To really calm everybody. To really keep us calm. That would be fucking funny. Like having ASMR in the background. Yeah, Captain Prince, tell him. This is the cool... Is it a Head and Shoulders on the 5 minute? It is. It looks like one. But I don't know just yet. Because the reason I don't know, I don't like if this is a head and... I don't know if this is a confirmed Head and Shoulders. Is because over here... Usually a Head and Shoulders, guys... You see how we sold off over here? Right? We didn't break this low down here. Okay? Which makes this low... a higher low. Okay, it's the only thing that I don't like about that Head and Shoulders. Usually Head and Shoulders is a lot more powerful if we actually have to break this low, then come up for the right shoulder, right? Because that's the break of structure, pull back to continue lower. But I don't know, this thing could fucking go, this thing could go bullish, huh? That's what I'm waiting to see. Yo, I don't know if this is gonna sell. I don't know if it's gonna sell, man. We're consolidating the break. I don't know if we're gonna get the short now that I'm winning. I don't know. I don't know. Back above. See, 15 still holding above that EMA, man. This candle closes, guys, bearish. I'm gonna try enter one more short into this. I'm gonna give it one more shot. One more shot, guys. And then after that, I'm going to the beach. I'm gonna go tanning. And just forget. Today never happened. Yeah. And this hourly is gonna close as well now, man. Okay, guys, had the closure back below. This is gonna be my last entry, my last shot, yeah. Then after this, I'm gonna call it quits. I'm willing to put $1,000 on the line. I'm just still thinking.
Order filled.
Alright, that's it, guys. This is my last trade of the day. Last trade of the day. This is obviously based off an EMA entry now, so yeah, 15 minutes got below that EMA. The 5-minute closed back below that EMA and broke structure to the left after retesting my H1 level at the top. Now this should actually play out, like, but right now I don't know. It is a tough position for sure. But it's a risk I'm willing to take. So let's breathe and just hope this doesn't reverse on me. That's what I'm saying for the third time today. So yeah. Let's pray all together. Yeah, let's see, man. I mean, who knows? This is on a challenge account for me, guys. This isn't a funded. This is a challenge right now. So, reason I'm putting that extra bit of risk on. But I mean, looking at this, we came up, retested my 720 level, had a big sell-off from their pullback. Price has pulled back above that EMA, and we're starting to close back below. This is how I trade my EMA. So I mean, it's not like I'm going against my rules. It is from, you know, it's a bit scary just seeing the fact that, you know, we are in a range. Let's just be honest, but it's a risk I'm willing to take. Something that's been happening a lot to me as well, my entries are always a bit too early, and then as I leave stream, like an hour later, price will then move to where I anticipated it to go, which is quite frustrating as well. It's happened a few times this last week. like 2-3 times. Okay, but let's change the music quick, guys, just for the last trade. Let's see. Let's change this music. Let's put something on to give this trade some energy. What are we feeling? Yeah, we go. No, this feels like a bit of Rihanna. Don't know, that's shit. Hold on. Hold on. Nope, not this. Actually, maybe it's alright.
Your hand in mine.
No, sorry, I'm trying to find let's chill. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Just keep this momentum going lower, Nasdaq. Come on. This is the... Come on. I'm just like gonna hope this was the entry short. Oh, sorry guys, my mic's on mute. Sorry, my chin keeps hitting the mic and then it puts it on mute. 29635 is a massive contract. No, I'm gonna print now. I'm gonna print now. I might even add into this position if we do start coming with some volume. I'm using EMA 9. It won't go lower than 29610. Is that what you're thinking? Where is 29610 at? Ah. Let's see, man. Joel, what are you doing, brother? Seriously, you're coming on here talking about my eyes again, bro. You can't even see my eyes right now. Why are you talking about my eyes? My little lady boyfriend. Guys, Joel is a lady boy, by the way, just to let you all know. He is a lady boy. He spends a lot of his time in Asia, and I didn't understand why, but now I understand why. Joel is a lady boy. And he doesn't want to admit it, ever. And what makes him more of a lady boy is that he doesn't trade Nasdaq, he only trades gold. So that makes him a bit more of a lady boy. No, I'm joking, brother. I love you lots, my bro. Yeah. I told you. I won't lie. Yesterday, guys, Joel messaged me and he's like, bro, are your eyes AI? And I'm like, what the fuck is he talking about? Are my eyes AI? Like, I was so lost. I was so confused. He didn't believe me. I had to send him photos of my eyes, like close up, so he could see they weren't lenses or like AI. He's a he is like a top dog lady boy. No. Guys, my eyes aren't fake, huh? I don't know how you See, Joe. Oh, fuck, I might burn my eye. Look. You see? My eyes are real. They're real. They're more real than most traders nowadays. My eyes, huh? Any giveaways on stream? Yeah, later this week probably. Not today though. Or maybe today. You just will never know. The fuck you talking about? Facial recognition, bro. $29655 it'll come down to now. Brother, I don't know, you like the future predictor. I won't lie, I do really want to add into this position if we start breaking out of this range, just due to the fact of my loss, because I want to make some good profit, man. But I don't know if I'm going to add in, I don't know. Adding in now would be better, but no. Back to trading. Oh, Joel, you trading again, brother? Okay. Sorry guys, I was just sorting something. What's happening? I do not trade Euro USD. I don't trade Forex, guys. Gold sometimes. Not meant for your trade right now. I've been busy working in other business I was telling you about. You've been working at your other business, your prostitution business. Yeah. Sorry, bro. I know you're very busy doing that one. Cam is the NQ king. I only trade gold if you're talking to. What is this, guys? I am so done trading off. Nah, this is a joke. What the fuck? I'm gonna let this hit my stop loss. I actually just don't care right now. I'm just gonna be honest. I'm gonna hold this until stop loss probably. I don't want to exit it and then it goes back down. That'll annoy me. We have to get all of our money back to reach our goal to get funded. What do you mean, Dan? Yeah, Joel, the NQ chart is a bit wild. Guys, you know what? I'm getting out. Fuck that. I honestly don't care. It's okay. I said to myself in the beginning of the stream, I'm giving myself $2,000 to work with this stream, man. I can't catch a fucking break. Damn, Joel, I need to join your prostitution business, brother. Come on, please hire me. Fuck this. Yeah. I think, guys, maybe I'm gonna start trading gold or something because NQ is in a beautiful range right now, and we love ranges. Oh yeah, Dan, yeah. I can't talk about the conversation actually on stream. I forgot. I can't talk about it on stream. We can talk about it off stream, but yeah. I hope you can understand why I can't talk about that on stream. I didn't really think clearly yesterday about it when I said I'll talk about it on the stream, but I can't do that. So, yeah. So guys, that's like my 4th day. I'm on a really big losing streak right now. Does it mean I can't trade? Absolutely not. Okay, I'm just on a big losing streak right now. Price action is just not giving me what I'm wanting. I'm gonna be honest. I'm not gonna bullshit. I'm not gonna pretend I'm fucking killing it right now because I'm not. But it's part of the game. I'm executing the strategy. I'm executing the strategy as it should be done. Just waiting for price action to start moving cleanly so my strategy's edge can play out. But yeah, it is what it is, man. I'm not going to cry about it. I'm just going to move on to the next trade. It's the only thing we can do as traders. So Money Beast, yes, I am a full-time trader. I've been full-time trading for 3 years. Or like 2.5, 3 years now. Something like that, yeah. My full-time trading story is actually wild. Guys, I went full-time trading after I got my second payout. I won't lie. It was retarded. Do I suggest that? Absolutely not. It was very stressful. But I was just like, I knew that I needed to go full-time for me personally. I was like, well, Cam, if you want trading to work, you need to go full-time. I went full-time and the first 2 months was tough, but after that, it started slowly, you know, going up a bit, and then I became really consistent. Yeah, with that being said, guys, I love every single one of you so much. Thank you for being here. Yeah, sorry about the trades today. It's not my fault. It's a Nasdaq's fault. So say Nasdaq elect and say Nasdaq, fuck you. Okay. Look, you look left too early. What? I don't know, guys. This range is nasty as fuck. If it tanks now and you in this trade, Adam, very nice, brother. I personally, nah, I'm done. I'm not gonna gamble this. I gave myself my plan. I executed my plan. Gambling this now is just not the way to go forward. So I'm gonna step away now. Just go enjoy the rest of my morning. Maybe come back New York session. Maybe we'll be broken out of the range. Yeah, Joel, I appreciate you, brother. Joel, no, guys, so Joel's been in my life for quite a while now. I've met him, I don't know how many years. I think I've known him for like 2 years now, I think it's been. Something like that. I don't know, year and a half, I don't know. And Joel, yeah, I mean, he's seen it all with me. I think he's seen me have huge win streaks, and he's also seen me on the losses. I just want to be transparent. Like, if I'm transparent, guys, I can always just be myself. And I don't want to be... something I'm not. Like, if you guys don't want to watch me and you don't want to be part of my streams, just say, because I'm not winning all the time. That's cool. Do you, man? But let me tell you right now, I'm one of very few traders that are very real. That's all I'm saying. So yeah, Nasdaq about to dump. To say it back. Thank you so much, Cam. Nifa, you're welcome. Good luck on your futures account, Nifa. And if you do buy a futures account with Thunder Pro, obviously you can save 20% off with my code CAM, yeah? Anyways, guys, peace and love. I love you all so much. Thank you for being here. And as I say, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning on the next stream. Cheers.